Hello everyone, in today's video we shall take a look at how we can share a particular page to your friend or your team member. So let's get started. So now I have this really simple content that I've taken off Wikipedia based on Marvel Cinematic Universe for content purpose. So now to share this particular page to a friend, so I'm going to pull this up. So we are currently in Jane's Notion. So I'm going to invite Emma to this page. So to share a page or invite somebody to a page, you can go right up to share, which is in the right hand corner, right top corner. Click on it once and you get this option. So we have all of these options, with one of it is share to web, and that is once you toggle it on, anybody with this particular link. So now I have copied, so in case I want to go and view it in let's say another incognito window, I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to hit enter. We have everything right here, even the logo, the icon. We have this duplicate option because we have enabled this duplicate option, which is right here. So in case we toggle this off and go back right to the other incognito window and refresh this page, everything is as it is except that the duplicate option is taken off, which is pretty cool. So you have the option of allowing another person to duplicate your template. So I'm going to close this off, and let's toggle this off as well. So now you can go ahead and share. To share, we can click on this once, or you can click on invite as well. Both of it results in the same pop-up box. So as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be inviting Emma to this page. So as you can see here, Emma NC is already here since I have previously invited her to multiple different pages in my Notion account. So that's the reason I have her name listed here. But in case you have a new person that you want to invite, you can go ahead and type it in here. Like let's go ahead and type in emmanocode.com, and once you click on enter, you have it right here. It comes up like this. So once you have it up like this, you can also change the settings. The settings are full access, can edit, can comment, and can view. We'll come to all of this in a bit. For now, I'm going to click on invite. So after you have clicked on invite, Emma is right here on top. And yeah, so now Emma can view this page. So we are currently in Jane's Notion, and I have opened another tab where I have Emma's Notion right up. As you can see, Emma at Nookwood. So we are currently in Emma's account, but since Jane has shared the page, so that's why it is like this. So as you can see, let's go ahead back to the previous tab. By default, we have the setting which is can edit. So going back to Emma's page, let's go ahead and click on it once and type in Marvel Cinematic Universe. Alright. So now we have the ability to edit, and it will also be reflected in Jane's Notion right here, as you can see, which is pretty cool. So since we are in Jane's Notion account and Jane has the ability to change the permission right here. So now let's go ahead and change it to can comment, which has a tiny description right here which says can view and comment but not edit. So that is quite interesting. So let's go ahead and click on this once. So now Emma has the permission to only comment on a particular element in Notion. So I'm going to click out of that, go back to the other tab, which is Emma's page. Now I'm going to refresh this. So we have refreshed the page, and as you can see, when I hover over this first paragraph, the second paragraph, and the third paragraph, which is just 3 words, we have this small speech bubble on the left side, but on the right side it's not there. What this does is it basically helps you comment on a particular element in Notion. So let's go ahead and click on one of them. I'm going to choose the first one for example. So after I have clicked on this speech bubble, it says add a comment, which is the basic thing that you can do when you have the permission to comment. So now I'm going to type in Marvel is the best, and I'm going to click on this blue arrow mark, which also means you can post it up. So I'm going to click on that once, and it has automatically generated another speech bubble with a number 1, which is basically like it has one comment, and the comment is also there. And I can also even click on these 3 dots, which allows me to edit the comment and delete the comment as well. So let's go ahead and check out edit the comment. So again, the text box has appeared. Now I'll just type in correct it to, let's do capital best and exclamatory mark, and post it upright again. Let's close that. Yes, I want to post it. Maybe enter. Yes, enter worked right there. I don't know what happened. But yeah, it has edited. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to click out. So you can go ahead and comment like this. All the comments that you have posted will be on the right side, so that there's quite a distinction between the comment box itself and the posted comments. So that is everything about comments permission. So now let's go back to Jane's account. So we are currently in Jane's account, and as you can see, even without the hover, we can see that someone has commented on this first paragraph. So we can go ahead and click on it, and it says Marvel is the best. You can go ahead and click on the comment, and you can comment back right away, which is cool. So let's type in yes, it is always best. You can comment back. So yeah, so now it has updated itself to 2 comments, which is really nice. You can, as the owner of this page, you can also edit and delete the comment as well. So now let's go ahead and check out the other permissions. So we have checked out can edit, which is the default option that Notion gives you when you share a page to someone. And we also checked out the can comment permission. So now let's go ahead and click on can view, and let's see what that does. So I've clicked on can view and I've clicked out. So now let's go ahead and click on the other tab, which is Emma's account. So we are currently in Emma's account, and we can see that we have previously added in a comment, so that is still right here. So yeah, but the comment box, that is the text box, has been removed since the permissions have been changed. And in case you suddenly wonder why can't I edit, this is why. You can always go up to share and check if any permissions have been changed or altered like that. Since Jane has changed the permission to can view, that is why we have this red icon right here. So yeah, so that is why. So let's go ahead and click out of it. You can only view the page, as you can see here, and I'm clicking right here, and only the cursor is there, but I can't seem to do anything else other than scroll up and down and click on this comment. So that is how view works. So that is pretty cool. So now let's go back to Jane's account. So another question you might be thinking, let's go ahead and click on this. For edit, for the option of can edit, it says you can edit but cannot share with others. So now let's go ahead and click on it. You can also see this option called copy link, and it gives you a description that says only you and the other invited members and the guests will be able to view the link. So only the people that you have invited that is in this particular list. For this example, only Jane and Emma can view this page. No one else. Even if you give the link, it will give you this kind of a page, or it will give you this kind of a message. So I'm going to open a new window. I'm going to paste in the link, enter, and it is loading, and it will tell you that you do not have the access to Jane's Notion. You can contact the admin to add you as a member. So that is why. So I'm going to close this right back. So that is how CopyLink works. So yeah, so I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.